Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I'll show you how to create YouTube player in sketchware. So at first I'm creating an app for this and naming it YouTube. Here you go, here is the view of your app. Now set a web view here. This is the web view. Here you go. Now on the event and on activity create, set on the go to the view and set a code here. So here it is the web view 1. You can see here the web view 1. So I am setting here web view 1 and load URL this. Now here I am setting a URL. You can get this URL in the video description. So I am saving it. Now here give toast. This is YouTube. Okay, now what we have to do is to run the app. Please wait a while so that the app can be installed. Please wait. So here you see the app is installed. Now if I open the app, see what happens. Here you see the YouTube is there. Now you can play any video you want. I'm searching. Here you see. Now if I open a video, here is the hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I'll show you how to make a video player in these videos of our channel. Thank you for watching this video.